भक्ति प्रमोदाख्यो पुरीमुषित्वा भक्ति प्रमोदाख्यो पुरीमुपास्यो भक्ति प्रमोदाख्यो पुरीं प्रणम्य भक्ति प्रमोदा लभते जन वै गौरकृष्ण नामदातां कीर्तनानन्दवर्धनं बहिर्मुखो जीवत्राता वन्दे सरस्वतीं प्रभुं। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। गुरुपाद पद्मो नेत्रिला प्रविष्टो विष्णुपादष्टौ तुरशत श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति प्रमोद पुरी गोस्वामी ठाकुर परम गुरुपाद पद्मो नेत्रिला प्रविष्ट शिल प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर। Also all bona fide acharya and Vaishnava in our sampradaya, I offer my prostrated obeisance to all of them and humbly begging their mercy to carry the loving mission of Lord Chaitanya rest of my life with purity. So, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. One devotee asking him question, Krishner Purna Kipa Labher Upay ki. Purna Kipa means absolute mercy of Krishna, how we are able to get it. And how we are able to get the absolute mercy of Krishna. Or upay mane what is the way? Upay means way. What is the way to get absolute mercy of Krishna? That is the question, real translation. What is the way to get absolute mercy of Lord Krishna? What is the way? If someone asking all of us what is the way, we may say, okay, chant Harinam, back to Godhead. Chant Harinam, back to Godhead. No matter. But, what Prabhupada says, Shivarsho Bhanavir Gane, Shri Rupanugo Gane Gonito Hoilei, কৃষ্ণের কৃপা লাভ করা যায়। শ্রীবার্ষ ভানবী means বার্ষ ভানবী means Radharani. Radharani gone, the associate of Srimati Radharani, who is the Rupanuga Gane, Rupa Goswami. If we come to this lineage, then we can have the absolute, we can get the absolute mercy of Lord Krishna easily. That means we have to follow the footsteps of Rupa. Rupa Goswami. As soon as we say Rupa Goswami, where is Rupa Goswami? A grove, in the grove of Lalita Sakhi. As soon as we say Rupa Goswami, Lalita Sakhi's Kunj, means grove of Lalita Sakhi, then appear one more important and Manjari name is Ananga Manjari. Ananga Manjari Chua Chandana Dahe Malatira Mala Rupo Manjari Lagahe. Rupa Manjari offering Malati's Mala. Narottam Thakur wrote one song. Gathi Amalotir Mala Divo Duhar Gale. So we have to offer Rupa Goswami offering garland made with Malati flower. Offering to Duhar Gale means two couple. One couple, Radha Krishna. So Ananga Manjari, Rupa Manjari, Lalita Sakhi. So Prabhupada says, Sivarsho Bhanavir Ganesh Rupanugo Ganesh. So Radharani's associates, and which, so many associates, but Rupa Goswami's follower. We are all Rupanugo. If we really take shelter of our parampara, there is some controversy, but our Gurudev says, Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj belongs to Advaita families. Krishna Mishra, Krishna Mishra family. Krishna Mishra, Advaita Acharyas, Achyutananda, Govinda, and Krishna. Krishna Mishra's background. Gradually coming down, then we can have Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj. Then Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj appear, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Then we can have Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. So, this parampara also following Rupanugo. Therefore I am telling, we are follower of Rupanugo Dhara. Sixilo Gurupat Padme, Rupanugo Boro, Shi Gurupat Padme Padodhali. Accept spiritual master who is follower of Sri Rupa Goswami and Radharani. When you become a real kinkor, kinkor means servant. When you become servant of them, Rupa Goswami, Lalita Sakhi, Radharani, then we are able to get absolute mercy of Krishna. First sentence, Srila Prabhupada says. Second sentence is Rupanugabar se Gurupat Padmer Padadhuli va Kinkar. Se Rupanugabar se Gurupat Padadhuli va Kinkar hoite parile se Saubhagya লাভ হইয়া থাকে। Actually, two lines I should have mentioned. So Rupanuga গণিত হইলেই কৃষ্ণের পূর্ণ কৃপা লাভ হয়। As soon as we become recognized by Rupa Goswami, Ananga Manjari, and Radharani, then we are able to get absolute mercy of Krishna. The first sentence. Second sentence is Rupanugabor se Gurupat Padmay Padadhuli. Kinkar hoite parile se saubhagya labh hoya thake. Rupanugabor means most dearest follower of Sri Rupa Goswami. Who is this? Gurudev, Gurupad Padma. If we become servant of that Gurupad Padma, if you have such saubhagya, means if you become such fortunate to become a servant of Gurupad Padma, means spiritual master, who is following Sri Rupa Goswami, then we can get Krishna's Purno Kripa, means absolute mercy. এজন্য আমাদের প্রত্যেকেরই ত্রিনাথ শুনি চাওয়া প্রয়োজন. Therefore, this is the reason all we should be humble like a blade of grass. Humble like a blade of grass. যাহার যাহা আছে তা ঝাড়িয়া দিয়া নিজেকে গুরুর কিঙ্কর বা শ্রীনামের সেবক বলিয়া জানাই ত্রিনাথ পিছু নিচত. Prabhupada gave nice explanation. Jahar jaha ache, whatever we have, mon, tan, mon means mind, tan means sarir, body, dhan, artha, name, fame, whatever skill we have, everything fully surrender. When we are able to fully surrender and become the kinkar, Gurur kinkar, absolute, become a servant of Guru and servant of holy name, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. When we establish such mind, when we are able to establish our mind in such manner, that is called Trinadapi Sunicheta. Sunicheta means, this is called, Srila Prabhupada says, humble like a blade of grass. This is the definition of Srila Prabhupada's Trinadapi Sunich. So what's there? Whatever we have, skill, wealth, mind, body, everything, offer to that Guru and become servant of Guru and holy name. Therefore, Guru, we should find out such Guru, such spiritual master, who is inspiring us to serve Vaishnava and chant Harinam without offense. Without offense means no blaspheming to any sadhu. If someone say, all are not Vaishnava, only I am Vaishnava, so you take shelter of me, what is going to happen? Do you think he is humble like a blade of grass? No. Humble like a blade of grass, Prabhupada says that Guru should be Sadguru. Sadguru means pure devotee. Pure devotee means who is completely free from material appreciation, recognition, distinction, name, fame, desire. And appointed by previous teacher. Because real Vaishnava, they always feel they are not Vaishnava. They are not eligible to be Guru. Therefore, they are appointed. They should be appointed. Then pure Vaishnava always following the footsteps of our previous teachers. Pure Vaishnava always following the footsteps of previous teachers. Whatever previous teacher says, that we have to follow. Whatever previous teacher said, that we have to follow. Pure devotees, that's it. Whatever. Therefore, we should think about. We should always think about that if someone become aggressively wants to be guru, actually we should not accept him as guru. Rather, he is like a puffed up, or we can say embodiment of false ego. Why I am telling so? Because Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur says, if anyone say I am a guru, he is not a guru at all. Therefore I am telling. Therefore I am telling you that guru should be appointed by previous teacher, then that Vaishnava unable to refuse it. They should continue it the rest of his life under any circumstances. Otherwise, real Vaishnava, they don't want to be guru. It is very responsibility, too much responsible. Too much responsibilities. Better to be alone, chant Harinam, preaching, and no need to take any kind of responsibility to others. It's a waste of time. But when Gurudev appoint us, then it is also become service of Lord. Therefore we have to do it. My spiritual master used to say, I am not a guru, but my guru order me. For expanding the loving mission of Lord Chaitanya, therefore I am giving guru, but actual guru, my Prabhupada. He used to say, Guru never say I am a guru. Guru never say you are my disciples. Guru always telling, Prabhupada says, all they are my Vipad Uddharan Bandha. Vipad means danger, Uddharan means deliver, Bandha means friend. They are my friend to deliver me from different material danger. In brief, he used to say, Vipad Uddharan Bandha. Am I clear? So, therefore, many people say, why? Mahaprabhu says that Jare Dakho Tare Ko Krishna Upadesh Amaragga Guru Hoya Taro Desh. Upadesh Guru. Jare Dakho Tare Ko Krishna Upadesh. Upadesh Guru means instructing Guru, Shiksha Guru, not Diksha Guru. Yeah, we have to be Guru, but Shiksha Guru. Like Madhava becomes Shiksha Guru, because he is giving every day 2 hours katha. Yeah, right? Every Wednesday, true or not? Yeah, look, I'm not telling to lie. Every day 2 hours giving katha. Nicaragua people, Costa Rica, Guatemala, Mexico, so many devotees, thousands of devotees listening Madhava's Katha. Am I right about it? So look, therefore I am telling, Guru, if someone aggressively wants to be Guru, he is not Guru at all. who is appointed by his previous teacher, they are Guru. Therefore, Prabhupada, and Prabhupada said, Guru always pure, devotee pure, devota pura. Jahar jaha acheta jhadiya diya, everything live, whatever skill I have or we have, should not be puffed up with that. If I got PhD, I say, I am PhD, right? All we have no PhD. Such mind, when it's appear in our mind, no, it is not qualified. So jhadiya diya, all the qualification, whatever we have, so everything we leave it. Means where to live? Jhadiya diya means to live to the lotus feet of whom? Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan, and become their kinkar. Kinkar means servant. Simon, as well as servant of holy name, means chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Only Shiva, 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 no chanting, it will not work. It will not work. Simultaneously, both, Prabhupada says, when we establish in our life, then Prabhupada says, it is real Trinadapi Shunichata. Real manner to understand become Trinadapi Shunich means humble like a blade of grass. Am I clear? So that's all. As soon as you become humble like a blade of grass, then you can have Krishna's mercy. You can get Krishna's mercy. Absolutely. Without Krishna's mercy, we are not able to be humble. We are not able to be humble like a blade of grass. Therefore, always, Narottam Thakur says, Krishna kripaya guru mele. Guru kripaya Krishna mele. By the grace of Krishna, we are able to reach Guru. We are able to get Guru. By the grace of Guru, we are able to get service of Krishna. We are able to get service of Krishna by the grace of Guru. But first we have to get mercy of Krishna. Anyway, okay, go ahead. Next question. Next question is, কে গুরু হইতে পারেন? Who can be guru? Be a guru. Who can be guru? কে গুরু হতে পারেন? Srila Prabhupada replying in that way. যে নিজেকে বৈষ্ণব মনে করেন, সে ব্র্যান্ডেড অবৈষ্ণব. Whoever thinking in mind, I am a Vaishnava, Prabhupada said that person is branded Vaishnava, but non-devotee. Branded. So Prabhupada said, not me. In mind, if I think I am a Vaishnava, then I am branded non-Vaishnava, non-devotee. আর যিনি নিজেকে গুরু বা বড় মনে করেন, তিনি গুরু হইবার অযোগ্য. Again, whoever feeling I am a guru, I am higher than everyone in mind, They are thinking. If anyone thinking, not feeling. If anyone thinking, whoever thinking in mind, I am a guru, I am higher than everyone, Srila Prabhupada said, Tini guru hoibar ajoggo. He is completely unqualified to be guru. Completely. অযোগ্য যিনি শিষ্যের শিষ্য অভিমান করেন whoever feeling proud I am disciple of disciples means the gopi bhattur pada kamalora daso dasanu daso I am servant of servant আমি শিষ্যের শিষ্য তিনি গুরু হইবার যোগ্য only that person is eligible or can be guru eligible or can be guru better to say that person is eligible to be guru or that person yogya means qualified that person is qualified to be guru that is Prabhupada says ভগবানের ন্যায় যাহার গুরুতে অচলা ভক্তি আছে ভগবানের ন্যায় how we have devotion towards Lord Krishna same devotion who has for his guru সেই গুরুনিষ্ঠ ভক্তই গুরুর কাজ করে সমর্থ only that person who has firm faith towards the guru as Bhagavan as everybody is keeping Bhagavan faith for Bhagavan that guru nishta bhakta that faithful devotee is guru kachasama is qualified to become a guru. So this is branded of Vaishnava. Srila Prabhupada's language. Vaishnava, we are branded of Vaishnava. That means we should not just, okay, you are branded of Vaishnava, ignore. No. Our parampara teaching us. Sakale samman korite sakoti devona to jatha jato. You can say he is a puffed up. No need to run behind him as a human being. We have to respect him. Am I clear? Prabhupada says, for bold manner, telling us, you have to keep in your mind, branded of Vishnu. So there is few points. We should not feel I am Vaishnava. We should not feel I am higher. We should not feel I am qualified to be guru. We should feel I am servant of disciples. Means parampara. When we establish in our mind such things, then we become qualified to be guru. Then Prabhupada also say, Bhagabaner na jahar gurute achala bhakti. How we are keeping our sound faith towards Lord, same faith when we are able to keep towards our guru. So when such type of nishtha, firm faith we have towards guru, then we are eligible to be guru. Gurur kaj korte samartha. Then we are eligible to get the responsibility of guru, to become guru. Yeah. That is Srila Prabhupada's answer. Prabhu, go ahead. Srila Prabhupada. And the next question is, কৃষ্ণ সেবা ব্যতীত কি জীবের অন্য কোনো কৃত্য নাই? সেবা কি করে পাবো? 2 question. Next. There is no other duties and responsibility except Krishna service. So how to seva ki kar paba? How we can perform seva? Two questions, right? There is no other duties of living entities except Krishna seva. There are no other duties. This is one asking, is there any, only this Krishna seva? There is no other duty, no other duties and responsibilities of living entities? No. This is asking the question. Seva ki kore pabo? How we are able to perform seva? Prabhupada answered, Krishna seva ব্যতীত নিত্য কৃষ্ণদাস জীবের অন্য কোনো চেষ্টা নাই. Whoever feeling or whoever establishes in his consciousness that I am eternal servant of Krishna, then that person, only one duty. Only one thing he can do, only Krishna seva. That means you can say, I am a householder, how can I be Krishna service? Krishna service means you have to go to temple, right? Do seva. Either cooking, either preparing something. But we have to know what is actual meaning of Krishna seva. If you are a householder, if you think everything you are doing for Krishna services, each ashram have different responsibility. Sannyasi should not just sitting and eating and lying down and puff up their belly. Like me. Sitting, eating, sleeping, taking pranami, and gradually puff up belly. Right? That means that you can say belly, so big belly I have. No. Everybody say I have big belly. So anyway, so Prabhupada says, sannyasi is responsible like this, always to preach, not to sleep. Not to sleep means actually not, the sannyasi eating and sleeping, nowadays. Always getting nice respect all over, people are respecting. Maharaj, what you want? There is other brahmachari, they want. Whenever I am in Navadvip Dham Parikrama, coconut water is prohibited for my body, but everybody bringing coconut water. Maharaj, please, I'll give it to them. They don't want to give them. Means the devotees, they don't want to give them. This is my seva to give them. So they are enough sun, they are tired, but my body, if I accept coconut water, I told them, then my blood pressure will be high. When blood pressure high, I feel also trembling myself. Anytime I can fall in the ground. So it's such type of, householder, they should serve. They should serve Vaishnava. Sannyasi, they should preach. Whenever they get opportunity, they should preach, not with business understanding. Oh, if I preach to Calcutta, I can have lot of follower. Because say nowadays, so many villages are empty. So many villages are empty now. You know, when I came first time in South India, I saw Chennai have preaching field. But inside Tamil Nadu, so many villages, there is so many church appeared. No one preaching in the Tamil Nadu, in village area. Even every place is like that. All city area, because city have people and they have money. We don't care about who is going to be devotee or not. At least they have faith. We can get donation, right? Therefore, we have to establish in temple in city area. Like Mahaprabhu says, Mahaprabhu says, Prithivite ache jato nagara digam, how many village and town exist, everywhere my name should spread. Prithivite ache jato nagara digam, sarvatra pochar hoibe mor naam. We become success, almost success in city area, Nagor, not village, gram, not success yet in village area. So anyway, so sannyasi only preaching in a village, preaching in city is not like that. Wherever we have opportunity or any scope to preach, we have to go. Nowadays, you can see, if you tell me, Maharaj, go to my village. Village is poor village. So, and also Madhav says, Maharaj, go to Costa Rica. San Jose preaching. So, where to go? I will choose Costa Rica because I can fly. I can fly. I can have. I can see new countries. Therefore, you can see everybody. They keep their strategy to go abroad. Branded abroad preacher. Then they can come to India. So yeah, it's traveling so many countries. So it's a big guru. 40 countries, 50 countries, big guru. So I have to take initiation from him. Yeah. So wherever we should get chance, wherever we look, people are going to run behind Mayavadi. You have to preach. Our Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj, first he started to preach in Punjab. Because Punjabi people mostly they run behind Mayavadi. They always believe some kind of miracle. Jyoti, whatever. Ray is coming for it, Mayavadi. But Madhav Goswami Maharaj went there first time on behalf of Mahaprabhu Sampradaya. First time Madhav Goswami Maharaj started to preach in Punjab. After that, ISKCON occupied. Right? They kick all of us out. Actually, Mahaprabhu's preaching style is not all of us out. Mahaprabhu's preaching style is accumulate or amalgamate, in amalgamation. Ekotrikaran. Together. Prabhupada's preaching style unitedly. Prabhupada says, unitedly spread the message of Rupa and Raghunath with full of enthusiasm, right? But nowadays it is challenge. Such a manner, our preaching strategy, we are just camping for sectarianism. My camp, you should not go from here to there. Even we are preaching, even this preaching strategy, new devotee course, we are always looking, we should not leave my society. Should not leave my society. That is feel very strange for Mahaprabhu's, in the name of Mahaprabhu's preaching center. It's very difficult to understand what is going on in this Iron Age, Kali Yuga, everything upside down. Mahaprabhu says, non-sectarian, non-judgmental, or we become too much judgmental and sectarian. This is the problem. Therefore, we are not able to get the taste of chanting. No taste. Syllable, we are just moving, syllable. After some time, we are feeling, oh, what we are doing so. No feeling, okay, leave it. I heard from someone, the one devotee was Mahaprabhu's lineage, then he moved to Ramanuj lineage.
Maybe here, Madhav Sampradaya, senior preachers.
No, I told him, he printed some many books. So Mahaprabhu's lineage, magnanimous lineage. We have to amalgamate all society, not like theoretically. Practically, it is not coming. Theoretically, the two society, one is WVA, one is Saraswat Gaudiya Vaishnava Association. Now they are trying, but reality I saw, it is not established yet. You can say that much. Not established yet. But theoretically we want to be together, to do this, do that. Where? Am I right, Prabhu? Everybody busy with their own society. Like Krishna in the society only. One Krishna everywhere. One Krishna everywhere. We will say, don't go other places. Anyway, let me say, Krishna Seva Vyatito Nitya Krishna Das Jiver Onno Kono Chesta Nai there, which really established, I am a eternal servant of Krishna, Nitya Krishna Das. They are always engaging themselves to serve Krishna only. They are not engaging in any other service. In this regard, I was asking, maybe someone thinking I'm a householder, I have to be in home. How can I do always Krishna Seva? Arey Baba, the main thing is to make happy in every steps of our life. Which ashram we have, no problem, no matter. Every steps, when you when we are able to make happy to Krishna, that is called Krishna Seva. Sometimes we are living in temple, wearing saffron, nice tilak, nice neck beads, nice ponytail, means shikha. But sometimes we look that such type of outwardly look devotee, blaspheming to others, using slang language to others. Giving instruction, don't go to my godmothers, to any other society in Vaishnavas, any other Vaishnava society, only my society. If you know this, nowadays once I got a message with WhatsApp message that someone say, if you take initiation from Gaudiya Math, then you'll go to hell. And if you take initiation from ISKCON, then you are going to Golok Vaikuntha. Golok, direct. Even one, I'm preaching 22 years. The one place I saw, they are making drama. There is a Jamraj sitting there. Drama is like this. Jamraj sitting on a chair, and one person, he always died, and coming to Jamraj asking, which sampradaya you belongs to? English language they make drama. Ramanuj, no, go back. Go back again to Martolok, this earth, material earth. Which sampradaya you belongs to? He says, Saiva Sampradaya. No, go back. Which sampradaya belongs to? Gaudiya Math. Go back. Then which sampradaya? ISKCON. Come. Yeah, I saw the drama. ISKCON. And immediately, come. This is the path. Golok Vrindavan, go. I was present in that drama. It was Canada. I was totally crossed my mind, and what type of preaching, sectarian preaching they are doing, just like increasing sectarian movement. So, whatever people are talking about cult, we are a cult. So, this is not like, we have to make happy Krishna with our each steps. Keep due respect to everyone. And mind should be non-sectarian, non-judgment. Everything judgment, Krishna will do that. Why I judge? যিনি ভগবান ও শ্রী গুরুর অচলা শ্রদ্ধা বিশিষ্ট, তারই হৃদয়ে পরমার্থ বিষয়ক সত্যবাক্য প্রকাশিত হয়। Whoever keeping অচলা শ্রদ্ধা বিশিষ্ট, অচলা means not, Achala means actually firm faith. Whoever have firm faith to Guru and Bhagavan, only in that person heart Paramartha Vishak Sattavakya, always Paramartha Vishak Sattavaka means always truth, spiritual truth manifest. Always spiritual truth manifest in that heart. Spiritual truth, Sattavaka, Paramartha Vishak Sattavaka. Sachala Saddhasishta Bhagavan and Guru. Srila Prabhupada says. I think it's 7 o'clock now. We can do it. We can continue tomorrow. It is too big. Answer is too big. Only one paragraph I finish.